Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix taskbar not showing up in Windows 11. So first what you need to do here is to press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and you should then basically Text Manager should open up, and then you need to write Windows Explorer, and then you just need to here restart, and then look if the problem persists or not. Then you need to press Windows and I key, or simply write insert settings. Then you need to go to personalization here. Then you need to scroll down until you see taskbar, and then press on taskbar behaviors and make sure this option is not selected. Automatically hide the taskbar. And if this did not fix your problem, again you need to press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and then you need to select run a new task, then write cmd. Make sure to select create this task with administrative privileges, and then you need to write sfc space /scan now, one word, and begin the scan, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.